Alright guys, let's unbox the Sirui P424FL. Let's go. This package is a little weird. I'm not trying to pierce through the actual box. Okay, it's packaged a lot nicer, for sure. No holes in the box. The previous box I got had a big hole in it, which I'll show you right now. Just received it today. You guys can see it. Boom, this is how it came. But yeah, here it is. This is the box that it comes with. And yeah, let's go ahead and unbox this. Oh yeah, this one looks brand new. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah, man. Ooh. Comes in a nice case. Nice little carrying case. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. And inside of the case should be your monopod, some tools. So you have a briefcase style handle, and it also comes with a strap for your back. The last bag smelled like fish. Or no, it didn't smell like fish, it smelled like Seafood City. Oh, this one also smells like Seafood City. Yep, straight out of China. You already know how it goes. Yep. It's a little loose right here. I don't know if that's supposed to be like that. I like to inspect it before I start using it, so I make sure that I didn't do any damages that were there before. But yeah, I'm just a little tripped out about the bottom here. It's a little loose. Wait. Another cool thing about this monopod is that it has quick release plates. So if you wanted to just run a camera really low, you can quick release this, mount your camera. That easy. Quick release it out. That easy, guys. Also have a knob here for adjustment. You can do full 90-degree. Also with the monopod, you get a bag with some L keys and a 3/4 inch or 1/4 inch screw so you can put it on the base of your monopod. All you do is press this unlock button, slide it in, and you're good to go. You have another setup, press the button, flip it over, you're good to go. How cool is that? I love this monopod. And if you want to take it a step further, you can get yourself a head that I purchased from Sirui. And this is I have an attachment here because I was using it for another base. Which is cool because this is a universal head, you know, as long as you have it's a 3/4 inch thread insert, so anything that's 3/4 inch. So I'd be using the 3/4 inch here, and what's cool is that I'll just take the base off like this, screw it in to the head, like so, and there you have it, guys. You have yourself a monopod with a nice fluid head, and you're pretty much good to go. So let's see this monopod in action.